Hey, happy Wednesday. Let's talk about ceramic coating. So I had a couple people comment and ask about ceramic coating. It's such a loaded subject. I could probably film 10 videos just on ceramic coating, why you should have it, what it is, the difference between it and wax. There's so many different aspects about ceramic coating that people don't really understand, and for good reason. It's very new still to the industry, and if you're just the average person, you're not this big car fanatic that's at all the car events, you probably are just hearing about ceramic coating. It is not a sham. It is not snake oil. It really does work. And it is absolutely worth putting on your car. So I'll just quickly touch on a few things, and then I'll do some more in-depth videos in the future here, talking about different aspects of ceramic coating, like how it differs from wax, pricing, installation techniques, all the different coatings, kind of comparisons and stuff like that. We will go through that. For today, I just want to talk about, someone asked about putting ceramic coating on clear bra. It is highly recommended to put ceramic coating on clear bra. Even the manufacturers recommend it. It is not required though. You don't have to do that. We highly recommend it because from our experience, it makes your clear bra perform so much better, and it makes it so much easier to clean. And another question we get a lot is, does the ceramic coating go underneath the clear bra or does it go on top of the clear bra? And the answer is on top of the clear bra. The reason for that is ceramic coating, when applied, is very, very slick. And because of that, the adhesives of the clear bra have a hard time sticking to it. So we can get them to stick down, but there's a very good chance that if you coated underneath this clear bra, that you would have premature lifting of the clear bra because the adhesive would fail because it doesn't have a great anchor pattern to stick to. So instead, we polish the paint, we prep it, we put the clear bra on, and then we ceramic coat on top of the clear bra. That makes it really hydrophobic, very easy to clean, and it even extends the longevity of the self-healing properties, the gloss, and the transparency of the clear bra. So absolutely recommended, highly recommended, not required, but you absolutely should and can put ceramic coating on top of clear bra. They have different protective qualities. Clear bra is made for impact protection, stone chips, debris hitting the car. In my wife's case, running shopping carts at the supermarket. So it does help a lot, and we've been able to, on my personal car, just peel off the clear bra, put a new piece on, and the car looks brand new again. Everyone has different reasons for getting it, but that's my reason. And then we had another question about why get ceramic coating. So that is a really super loaded question, and I want to keep this video short. I could probably go into like a 45-minute discussion on the different reasons for different people, different cars, to get ceramic coating. So I just want to touch on it and give you some of the reasons that I put ceramic coating on my personal cars. And it's not because I need to, and it's not because I sell it. I've been detailing cars for 20 years. I can wash my car no problem. I can detail my car every week, and it really wouldn't be an inconvenience to me. But the reason that I put ceramic coating on them is because I don't need to anymore. And every time you polish paint, you are removing a little bit of the clear coat. And so you don't want to do that every 3-4 months like we used to have to do 10 years ago. Now I can polish my car one time, put a ceramic coating on it, and the color, well, let me just look at this car right here. It just brings out that deep, deep glossy black. And the cool thing about it is that it makes it last. So you have that detailed look every time you wash your car, which before, like when I did mobile detailing for years, I'd have to come out in at least every month to 3 months, depending on the car and where it was parked, we would have to clay the car, repolish the car, throw some wax on the car. Well, that was really expensive for the customer, and the results were nowhere near this because we would never polish it to this level. We could never maintain it. It was impossible to maintain that. With ceramic coatings, you can actually maintain this. They are less scratch resistant, they are more scratch resistant than your factory paint job. And I want to really make sure that you heard the word resistant, not proof. They are not scratch proof, not at all. There are some companies out there that make self-healing things like this. From my experience, all self-healing things that I've seen have a lifespan to them. And for that reason, I don't sell it as a self-healing coating. It does have that self-healing ability from Ceramic Pro, and I have seen it work, and it does work. I don't like to sell it to my customer like that because I feel like I'm setting you up for disappointment. It's hard to gauge which scratches will self-heal and which ones won't. And I don't want anyone confused that by getting a coating, they can just take their car through the crappiest, cheapest car wash and have them wash it down with dirty towels and somehow miraculously it's not going to have any scratches. That's not the case. There's nothing on the planet right now that can make that a possibility for you. But what ceramic coating can do is, with proper maintenance, you can have this amazing detailed look all the time while only spending 30 minutes to wash your car, which is unheard of until now. So this particular car, he can come out and wash his car on a Saturday morning, about 30 minutes, and when he goes to Cars and Coffee or even just drives to work or wherever he's going, this car is going to look like it just came from a detail shop. And that is what is so cool for me about ceramic coating. I'll touch on the other reason to have ceramic coating, and the most important thing is protective qualities. So it does protect against bird dropping, sap, tar, ocean air, UV rays, all the things that usually deteriorate your paint job. They give it that milky look to it after a couple of years. It starts to get that oxidation, or you'll just notice the color starts fading, like on something like this crazy metallic blue. Typically after a year or two, it doesn't look that metallic and it's not that glossy, there's that pop to it. With ceramic coating, it's going to maintain that, but also it's going to protect it from the bird droppings, the sap, the tar, the fading. All of that is warranted, and that's where that warranty comes in. Let's say this car goes to a movie, parks in the parking lot. It's 95 degrees that day. The hood's probably somewhere around 200, 250 degrees in the sun while you're in the movie, and a bird poops onto this hood. Well, if you didn't have it ceramic coated, the minute the bird poop hits that hood, the acidity could start eating into the paint immediately. You wouldn't even have time to get to a car wash and wash it off before it's already caused damage. By this car being ceramic coated, if that same bird pooped on this ceramic coating, it will start immediately going after the ceramic coating. It's going to start kind of eating into the top layer of the ceramic coating. That's okay. That's why you have ceramic coating. It's a sacrificial layer. If that bird poop happens to damage the coating, bring it in, we'll polish it off, and we'll recoat it. As long as you didn't leave it sitting there for like 3 months. Just be responsible with your coating. Don't test the coating. There's no reason to test it. Utilize it. So you have this car coated so it looks amazing. So do your maintenance. If you see something on the car, let us know right away. Like, hey, I just got a bird poop. It doesn't seem like it's going away. Bring it by. Let's take a look at it. Because those are the reasons to have a ceramic coating. It's so that you don't have to stress about your investment all the time. Whether it's a Porsche or the Corvette or the Honda Civic, all of them are an investment and all of them have paint on them. And paint jobs are very expensive. So if you can make this paint job on this Honda last as long as that motor, that's a win in my book. And that car will go 200,000, 300,000, 400,000 miles. I think some of them have gone to 1,000,000 miles. But I can tell you that most of the paint jobs on those cars do not look like they did when they picked it up from the dealer. And so if you can keep that paint looking just like that, glossy blue, with a small investment as soon as you buy the car, in 10 years, you've still got a great looking car with a motor that'll keep going for a long time. And that's why I always tell people it's more important almost to ceramic coat your daily driver than your exotic car. Exotic cars don't get the abuse we give our daily drivers. We park our daily drivers outside. We drive them every day. They're on the freeway. They're getting brake dust. We drive them by the beach. They're getting sun. They're getting ocean air on them. All of these things deteriorate paint jobs. And these exotic cars don't see that very often. Most of them are stored in the garage, usually under a cover. They're usually professionally maintained. They'll have a detailer come out or they take it to a shop. Our daily drivers sometimes are not. We do a quick car wash on them. Most people forget to wax them for years. So by doing a coating, it takes all that guesswork out. And you can just buy your car, ceramic coat it, and live your life and just wash the car, just maintain it. Let us handle all the rest of the stuff. So I hope I didn't go too long. I want to try to keep it short, but I think those are two of the most important, or maybe more than two of the most important reasons of why you should get a ceramic coating. I know someone also asked about washing ceramic coating. I have a video on our YouTube. Look up polish protection on YouTube, and we have a car wash video on there that shows the steps from the beginning to the end of a car wash and all the different products that we use and tools that we use to do it. If you have any further questions, let me know, and I will definitely get more in depth on the ceramic coatings, but I just want to keep it kind of short videos for right now. If you guys have any ideas for future videos, please leave them in the comments. I would love to address different things that you guys ask me. All right, I hope everyone has a good week, and I'll see you next week.